You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. Let's break it down. Yes, it's one of those words that has a silent letter. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary like this one, stay tuned. It's pronounced in English as thumb. Yes, indeed, you do not say thumb. Essentially, the M sound implies that you kind of pronounce the B like a B. So just say thumb. Then TH is pronounced with your tongue between your teeth. Thumb. It's a schwa sound, an sound, okay? So it's not thumb, not thumb, thumb. How to pronounce in English? One of the 5 fingers, thumb. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.